equations of planes. So after nung mga vector, dot product, cross product, yung matrix, dito naman tayo sa equations of planes. So as you can see on the screen, merong plane yung color red. Then yun yung plane. Tapos on the top of it, merong vector. From the origin, yung origin natin is yung PO. Merong vector P at saka vector N. So, okay. So, dito sa diagram na ito, yung ating N, yung vector N dyan, is equals to A, B, C. Okay? And then yung PO, yan yung origin ng vector P, is equals to X sub 0, Y sub 0, Z sub 0. Okay? And then yung head ng ating vector, that is P, is equals to X, Y, and then Z. Okay? So, ngayon, yung vector N, kung mapapansin mo ninyo, yung vector N is normal siya sa plane. Ito ay normal. So, bakit sinabing normal? Kasi that is perpendicular to the plane. Nakatayo siya sa mismong plane. So, perpendicular. Kaya nga merong 90 degrees na dito, sign. Okay? Tapos, yung PO naman, yung origin is arbitrary point on the plane. Same with point P. Kasi nag-lie siya. So, this is arbitrary. Arbitrary. It means nandun siya mismo sa plane or lies on the plane. Okay, so mapapansin nyo yung vector PO, P, ito, P sub 0 to P, yan yung ating vector na nandun sa plane. Vector in the plane. While yung N is the orthogonal. So, therefore, pwede nating ma-equate siya into a equation that is equals to N dot the vector P sub 0 and P is equals to 0. Ganun natin siya i-equate. Kasi di ba pag equation, nag-equate tayo into 0. Okay? So, by this time, pwede nating palitan yung mga value ng N. So, say for instance, yung A natin is just equals to ABC. A, B, C. Then, times, yung PO natin is X sub 0. Okay. X minus X sub 0. Kasi may distance, diba? From point P, mula doon sa origin niya, that is X minus X sub 0. And then Y minus Y sub 0. And then Z minus Z sub 0. That is equals to 0. Okay? So, i-multiply lang natin yan 1 by 1. So, this is equals to A times the quantity X minus X sub 0 plus B times Y minus Y sub 0 plus C times the quantity Z minus Z sub 0 is equals to 0. Okay? So, ngayon, we call this last equation the point normal form of the plane. So, itong last equation na ito yung tinatawag natin na point normal form of the plane. So, dyan lang iikot yung ating mga equations at yung ating computation sa equations of a line. So, magbibigay ako ng example. Example, find the equation of a line of a plane through the point 149 with normal 2, 3, 4. So, gagawa ulit tayo ng plane katulad ng ating illustration kanina with a vector. Okay. Ngayon, ipa-plot natin to. This is just perpendicular dahil normal to. So, meaning, yung with normal 2, 3, 4, ito yun. Pwede natin siyang gawing n ulit, pero pwede namang hindi. Pero pwede po natin ilagay yung kanyang coordinates or yung vector quantity niya, that is 2, 3, 4. Okay? At yun namang point na nandun sa arbitrary sa ating plane is equals to 1, 4, and then 9. Okay? Nandito ulit yung origin niya, which is yung XYZ. XYZ. Diba? So, ngayon, pwede natin siyang gawa ng equation. Ang gagawin nating normal form nung plane na to ay parang ganito. So, shortcut na lang natin siya, or pwede naman natin gawin pa yung kanina. So, yung kanina, yung pagkahaba-haba, that is equals to A times the quantity X sub 0 or X minus X sub 0 minus, okay, plus B Y minus Y sub 0 plus C Y minus Y sub 0. Okay? Anyway, same distance naman ito. And that is equals to 0. Ngayon, ang ating XYZ dito is yung origin. Tapos yung Y sub 0 natin is yung palitin natin kaya. Pero simple lang naman yun. Para mas malinaw, gawin natin tong nandito yung ating yes, correct. Anyway, yung distance naman ang pinag-uusapan natin. So, pwedeng ganyan na yan. So, yung ating A is 2 times X minus 1 plus 3 times Y minus 4 plus 4Z minus 9. That is equals to 0. Tapos, magdi-distributive property tayo, that is equals to 2x minus 2 plus 3y minus 12 plus 4z minus 36 is equals to 0. Lahat ng negative sign, pwede natin ilipat sa kabila, that is equals to 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equals to 2 plus 12 plus 36. Simplifying further the equation, that will give us 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equals to 50. So this is now the equation of the plane for this example. So, okay. So, pwede nyong i-recall yung sa lines in the plane. Okay. So, nandyan is yung slope form. Slope, intercept, form. So, recall nyo to, that is y is equals to mx plus b. Tapos, isa pa is yung point normal form. So, ito naman yung a times x minus x sub 0 plus b times y minus y sub 0 is equals to 0. Kung dalawa lang. Okay, kung meron pang z or c, pwede naman. Okay, so kapag lines in the planes, wala tayo syempreng planes, pero meron tayong quadrant kasi nandun yung ating line. So say for example, this is x and y, and then merong line. Then yung perpendicular dyan na line, this is your normal or orthogonal, that is AB, yung vector quantity. And then ito naman yung ating x sub 0 and y sub 0. Okay?